all. Here I am with another interesting update and interesting content. Interesting update regarding the Capgemini written test results and interesting content regarding the ISRO virtual workshops. ISRO has opened its registration for the virtual workshop in various domains. It would be the second part. So the video is divided into two parts, that is the Capgemini written test results and FAQs and doubts, and second part is the ISRO walkthrough complete registration about the virtual workshops. Coming to the Capgemini, it isn't the latest update, but it's a shocking update. So everyone who have got their work style reports and all completed their all rounds completely might be thinking, अरे Capgemini वाले कौन सा जंगली माल फूक के mails release करे हो. So everyone is in a bit frustration and aggression. So it took some time to add up all the things and getting the correct information. So coming into the Capgemini part. So when did I had my written assessment? It was on May 26th, the previous month, and the slot was on 12:30 p.m. So coming to the work style report generated after a day, my work style report generated after a day. I'm showing this because many of the candidates didn't get their work style report generated after completing all the rounds successfully. The work style report something like this: your name and some greeting messages, and you click here and you get your PDF format of your work style reports. And then getting into the selection mails, so there are clear selection mails now from Capgemini. So it looks like something, dear candidate, greetings from Capgemini. Everything stuff till here is similar. The thing is that it is different from here, that we are happy to inform that you have cleared your assessment taken on the month of May and all. So this is regarding the selection mails. It's some bit shocking that those who have got the work style report are getting the selection mails as well as the rejection mails. So everything would be let out here. So coming to the rejection mails, the rejection mail is also similar to the selection mail, but the content is different here. That is, unfortunately, based on the results on online assessment you have completed, we agree to inform you that we will not take your candidature forward. So you have to stop your journey in the Capgemini here itself. So when did Capgemini started releasing out this mails? It's from the starting of this June, that is from the 1st June. So they have started their interview process and scheduling things from 1st June, but the interview slots aren't out completely. So I will give the instant updates regarding those things, and also I will make a complete playlist of Capgemini, and also I've started a different playlist regarding the Cognizant job application and everything. In both the playlists you will get the technical interview experiences and all the stuff regarding the Capgemini and Cognizant in their respective playlists. So this is the rejection mail, and some of the candidates are getting confused regarding the mails which appear like this. So this mail, that is Capgemini Tech Challenge 2021, he is here. So this mail is nothing to do with the selection or rejection. It is a common mail. Those who have applied for the off-campus drive, some might get it, some might not get it. So it is completely irrelevant with the selection or rejection mail. It's just the update about the Capgemini technical challenge mail. So everyone is mistaking it as a selection mail, so be aware of it. It is nothing to do with your selection or rejection mail. So it's a tech challenge organized by Capgemini. So there are various cash prizes and also a chance to get a direct interview from Capgemini. So here the interview will be some bit advanced than the normal off-campus drive. That is, you would get a higher package, that is the original profile, that is about 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. So you can go check out in the description. I have pasted the link, everything about the Capgemini technical challenge. So getting to the frequently asked questions and doubts, so didn't get my work style report yet. So if you haven't got any work style report after completing your complete assessment without getting logged out, then you might check your spam and all the relative components of your mail. And if you aren't getting, so have a patience till this month. If you aren't getting anything till this month, then you can assume yourself as rejected. Then didn't get mails regarding selection or rejection mail, so you will be getting within this month, because the interview schedules are being out from June 1st. So don't worry, your mails will be out. Rejection or selection mails are coming for sure. Send the dates of technical interview. The slots will be starting everything in this month, so it will carry on to the next month also. So mid of this month to next month, ending. The technical interviews might be held and all the interview process might be held within these 2 weeks. Faced an issue while writing my assessment. So many of them faced the microphone issues and so many camera issues, and also getting logged out without attempting the assessment and many things. So there is a support mail I have linked up in the description. Go revert to that mail and with your problems. So the replies might be late because they would reply to these mails after all the selection schedule process are completed. So getting to another thing, got both selection mails as rejection mails. So this is one of the disappointing thing, because some of them got selection as well as rejection mails. The thing is that the latest mail which you got, so the latest one, it might be selection or rejection mail, you have to consider it. But with the curiosity, you can stay active on the mail regarding the Capgemini mails about interview slot, because you got both the selection and rejection mail till this month end. If you aren't getting any further updates, then you might consider your rejection. So consider the latest mail. So if you got the rejection mail first and then the selection mail, then you would be considered the selected candidate. If you got the selection mail and then got the rejection mail, then you would be considered as a rejected candidate. So about the technical issues and all this stuff, I have pinned up the link of the support mail of the Capgemini in the description. Go check out with your problems and revert to that mail. And any chances of applying Capgemini again? So I have showed you the tech challenge. So this is one of the greatest platform you can enhance your chances again in the Capgemini, because if you crack this challenge, then you are awarded with great cash prizes and also a direct interview without any written test or anything. So same as like TCS coding challenge, you get a direct mail. Here also you are getting a direct mail, and the profile would be higher, that is about 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. So enhance your chances by participating in this technical challenge. So getting next into the workshop that is organized by the ISRO, the government space firm of the India. So coming to the ISRO virtual workshop 2021 on various trending domains. So I have given the link in the description. You can click the link and register yourself. Also I will give you the walkthrough about these registration and all. So coming to the registration in the ISRO virtual workshop, so I have given the link in the description. When you click on the link, you would redirect to page something like this, the Government of India Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. So I would make you relevant about the courses they have offered. The first thing is that 80-second course on machine learning to deep learning, a journey of remote sensing data classification, that is from July 5th to July 9th. So the online registration form, the course voucher, and also the course schedule. And also there are another courses such as WebGIS technology, and also if someone is interested in the space objects and elements, so there is another course called as Earth Observation for the Carbon Cycle Studies. So the relevant thing about our stream is that this one, that is machine learning to deep learning, a journey for remote sensing data classification, coming into the online registration form. So I have already registered, but I will give a walkthrough. So it looks like this. The official name which you have on your registered certificates of government such as Aadhaar card or 10 certificate, it has mentioned clearly the 10 certificate, your email, your confirmation to confirm again your email and the password you select, and also retyping your password and the captcha code here. So after registration and complete process, I would also let you the acknowledgement mails and also the various mails from the ISRO which we get after applying to this. After getting completed with the registration, you can check your application status that here. So check your application status, you have to click here because you have already registered here. So I would type my email, then my password. Enter your captcha code. So here it comes out, the application on applied courses which you have applied, that is machine learning to deep learning, which I have already applied. And coming into the application status, after getting logged in, the page appears like this, and after going to the application status, it pops out like this, that is machine learning to deep learning. Status is pending because I have just applied. And the nodal center is the nearest center which is conducting this virtual drive. You can click on this nodal center to change your nodal center to the nearest one. Nothing to do with that. If you want, you can change the nodal center. And coming to the mails which you get after registering in this course, the confirmation email something looks like this. Not the confirmation, that is verification email from the ISRO workshop. So with your name and thank you for applying to the following course, your username which you have entered means mainly the email and the password you have registered with. So to confirm this mail, you have to click the activate your account here, and after activating the account, it retrieves to the ISRO page, and there is just to confirm your account. Then getting into the acknowledgement mail after registering in the course of your required choice, then it would look like this with your name and thank you for registering and all, then the course details and all, and the institute and the coordination details. I've set the nodal centers, means the nearest nodal center. Defaultly it goes to Uttarakhand. You can change your nodal center again by clicking there where I have shown the nodal center tab. So you can change your nodal center, nothing to do with that. It's just the details of your current candidature would be with the nearest center. So it is better to have the nearest nodal center according to your region. There are many nodal center mentioned there. Go check out there in the ISRO website after clicking the link over the nodal centers. Then coming to the certifications which you might get, this isn't the original certification. This I have brought it from the internet source, so the name is not mine and the course is also irrelevant of ours. So it's something of a healthy and attested certificate with many of the higher officials you can see below. So your certificate might look something like this with the enrollment name and all the organizations which are associated with this workshop. So it is a very good certification and might add up weight into your resume. And also the co-curricular activities workshops also matter a lot, along with various certifications and the certifications regarding the ISRO. So it's a government firm, so the value would be more. So mention that each person can register only 4 courses throughout the year. So you might see how unique these courses are and how rare, because you are only allowed with 4 courses. So you can't fake the courses with another email and all, because the candidate registration is very strict. You will know if you register in it. So every details are taken down with your passport size photo till the government recognition card, any of the passport, PAN card and all. So you can't fake like Coursera. So you only get the opportunity of enrolling in 4 courses. So choose the best ones throughout the year. So if you are in association with any college, you might get a number of chances, but being an individual, you might get only 4. It's mentioned in the page also, you will get only 4 courses to get enrolled. So these are very precious and choose wisely. So machine learning is one of the greatest course regarding our domain and firm. So this is all about the ISRO registration, and do let me know if you have any queries, and thank you. Check out the playlist of Mindtree where I have given my interview experiences and all, and also I have made a Twitter page. I have linked in the description. You can DM me for any personal suggestion, and also I have given some unique job notifications such as Google notifications, Google software engineer notification job opening in the Twitter page. So do have a look over there. So thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your upcoming interviews.